Do you feel bitter ba with the success of other people? Do you know someone who's successful and abundant but deep inside natitrigger ka? Alam mo, you might be asking the wrong questions deep inside. Bakit ganyan yung buhay nila? Bakit ang swerte nila? Those are the wrong questions that you need to be asking yourself or telling yourself. Instead, ask yourself, ano ba yung ginawa nila? Bakit they were able to get the results in their life? Kasi if you know the process and you reach out to them, invest some time, even invest a lunch or a coffee time session with them and know their process, and I believe that they would also be so glad to share their experience to you. If not, then find mentors because at the end of the day, everyone, success can be learned. You're not asking the right questions. No, nagiging bitter ka, nagiging envious ka. Kumbaga, nagpapakadrama ka dyan, bakit ang malas ng buhay mo? But in reality, the question there is that, bakit sila umaasenso sa buhay nila and ano yung proseso nila? Kasi pag alam mo yung proseso nila and you apply it in your life, then you'll also get the same results. Yung tanong lang is, are you willing to do that? Or dakdak ka lang ng dakdak dyan. At the end of the day, walang mangyayari yung puro mo reklamo. Hanggang dyan, bitter ka pa rin. And alam mo, yung masakit pa dyan, pag bitter ka, nakakahawa ka sa ibang tao. Now, instead of feeling sorry for yourself where you're not getting the same results as they are, ask yourself, what are they doing na hindi ko ginagawa? Paano sila mag-isip na pag inisip ko, makukuha ko yung results na to? In NLP, we have the process called modeling. Modeling kasi is a process wherein we learn someone of excellence and we also install it in our life so that we get the results of that person. Imagine, kaya pala natin gawin yan sa buhay natin. That's also what happened to me. Hindi siya naging magic na natural talent ko to. I learned from people. If kaya niyang baguhin yung buhay nila, kaya ko ring baguhin yung buhay ko. I just need to know their process and install it in my life, and also, I would get the same results. Thou, the question there is, bakit ayaw mong magbago? Bakit mas pipiliin mo pang magpapakadrama ka dyan, magre-reklamo ka dyan, magiging source of trigger ng iba instead na tulungan mo yung sarili mo? Buti ka pa, dami mong oras para isipin yung ibang tao. Tulungan mo muna yung sarili mo para mas marami kang matutulungan. Again, if you're interested about the process, it's a neurolinguistic programming process. It's called modeling. And if you learn it and apply it in your life, you will also transform your life because if kaya nilang baguhin yung buhay nila and they're getting results, no? They're getting those abundance, the wealth, the prosperity, bakit ikaw hindi?